Are you looking for a divine chocolate sauce that has an ever so fruity sweet hint of brandy? This brandy chocolate sauce will bring a heavenly touch to your cakes, ice cream, pancakes, fruit bowls, you name it. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a deliciously sweet chocolate brandy sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Alright my friends, let's get this party started. We're going to start off with a little bit of heavy cream. Throw it in a little saucepan over low to medium heat. This is such a quick and easy recipe. You'll see it's fantastic, it's super sweet. Now we're going to throw in a little bit of brown sugar to add to that wonderful sweetness, of course. And then a touch of salt so that we can bring out all those lovely flavors. Now this recipe is so simple and easy to make. You can make it right on the spot, dazzle your friends, make it right then and there, and serve it right on up. Or you could go ahead and put this into the refrigerator, save it for a few days, take it on out right before the party starts. You're going to want to put it into a nice hot water bath. So you definitely don't want to put it into a saucepan and put it directly over heat. The chances of burning that chocolate are pretty high, and ho, my friends, you definitely don't want to have the smell of burnt chocolate in the house right before a party. And again, we're just warming up this cream mixture. It really needs to just dissolve that sugar and be warm enough to melt the chocolate in the future. So don't really bring it to a rolling boil, just warm it up. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our chocolate. So we're using Bittersweet Chocolate here. And oh my friends, this recipe, this chocolate brandy sauce recipe is not only simple to make, it is absolutely delicious. It goes great on cakes. Put it over ice cream, put it on crepes. Dip marshmallows in it, put it on fruit, dip fruit in it. It's absolutely delicious. You could even just drink this stuff straight. Okay, now it's time to break out that bad boy blade, and oh, you can tell the chocolate is shaking in its boots. So the goal here is to make nice cuts to where this chocolate's broken down to where once you pour over the cream mixture on top of it, it melts fairly easily. So I'm starting off with some nice size horizontal cuts. They don't have to be too small, roughly about 1/4 of an inch or 6 millimeters. And then for an extra little bonus package, we'll do some diagonal cuts. This will help break it down a little bit smaller and help with the melting process. And that takes care of step number 2 in this easy process. So step 1 is also pretty much complete. We've got that warm, heavy cream liquid mixture ready to go. So now we're ready to mix these guys all together. And then grab a nice mixing bowl. You want it to have high sides. We're going to do a little mixing here, so you don't want it to get all over the countertop. Our cream mixture, it is ready to go. So as you can see, it's nice and warm. It didn't really come to a rolling boil, but it's bubbling a little bit nicely there. So it's nice and hot. It's ready to go. We can go ahead and turn off that burner, put it on the back of the burner. We get it ready to go for whenever that chocolate's ready to roll. So let's go ahead and throw everything together. So we're going to go ahead and put the chocolate into the mixing bowl. And again, this chocolate brandy sauce is just absolutely so easy to make. You just warm up the cream mixture, chop the chocolate, throw the chocolate in the bowl. Every little piece that you didn't eat before, you have to taste the product, of course, so you've got to make sure it's good. Check it out. Just look at it. You can just see that chocolate already starting to take shape. It loves it. That warm, delicious liquid is just going to melt this bad boy down. To help out with the mixing process, it's always a good idea to let the cream and the chocolate mixture just sit for roughly about 10-15 seconds to let that chocolate melt down a little bit, and then, my friends, you can go ahead and start whisking away. And you really don't have to whisk it that very long. It's roughly a minute and it comes together silky smooth. So check it out, this divine chocolate brandy sauce. Oh my friends, this is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Do leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you like sauces and gravies, do hit that subscribe button. There are more sauces and gravies to come. And remember to live, love, and make gravy.